parallel connection de koi kamai yeng tare ko series loi kra mamang video da hazikna parallel gi yeng se ada yengo kamai na hai my definition da chimpa pu da ju ai puninga ga ti puro the logic to adu chumaga lore ani thamage r1 kawam ga r2 thawam kawam ga thamage asida moibani se two or more registers are said to be in parallel if they are connected between the same two point example the node tarakani na ko kcl kvl ke tarka node amadi junction ko bom tarakani ba junction har ga din lambi ti yengo koi ke sampa junction na haidra wahin le kai de gi sumain la ko aduga tidim line de gi sumain la ke sam thongum de gi sumain la governor road t0 rom de gi smile la do city meeting point nam lai traffic circle do so sigi point ne to ka sampa junction hais how some na meeting point hai bane junction na tra note ko an kitang budi khene ani se ko note ka junction se kitang budi khene do not necessarily khoi se ka do yam kana debate to gum si ai gi di meeting point hai meeting point ko or in other words point ko and they'll mark 2 points sida a b na mark to ko the point a ko bum sida mark to ge point b ko ba sida meeting point ani na to si se le yeng ani sigi wire siga meeting point b de le sigi wire siga meeting point a de le so I'll just say a b ko point so two or more resistors are said to be in parallel if they are connected between the same 2 points and they have the same potential difference madu mayam se kari no higher gadi ai value hapchala age r1 sina let's say it's ko r1 sina I r1 r2 je interose mutake r1 sina I'll say 6 ohm na herge r2 sina I'll say this is 3 ohm na herge ko mana r1 irage r1 ni sina r2 ni yare ko adi battery में समझला से you all know battery की सी मैम से हसिक पुक्ति खगा हिरमनी plus na high minus na low ground di always negative side sami 0 volt ko ground samba side to adu thengna di wire मैम do all at 0 si chamang khama le ko adi ground samba side to sinang ka pigman khama le mai pim this pull up se 0 volt la ne see the whole section of the wire see so samle ko see pull up se loina 0 volt la ne ko I ni red highlight taru se ino ai na bale so I 0 mark to sala again this is at 0 volt see so 0 volt see so 0 volt ground ko thing na sides likewise battery ki value jam hajela se say it's 18 volt here again the you all know voltage of the high minus voltage of the low se the 18 hari je mo 18 tai hai na mamang diam to gre ko si je sin 0 tara ga si kya hoini something minus 0 equal to 18 so what is that something say something Japanese ki something hai do say 18 the say something 18 volt the some side na 18 volt le the I some side na battery low le me sina 18 ko si side na si pull up se samnai samna bani na si yawi si pull up se 18 volt le rabane adu di eko ko na si yeng dum si parallel sam line khangani now let's bloom na si so 18 de le si so 18 de le ni adi definition na aina hajik ta kya hai ki two or more resistors r1 r2 se examples da 2 natraga 2 di henba r1 r2 se so two or more resistors are said to be siga r1 siga r2 siga are said to be in parallel if they are connected between the same 2 points kanano a ga b taraba junction or node a ga b this is b this is a so if they are connected between the same 2 points and they have the same potential difference across them hybrid 6 ohm je potential difference hybrid magi voltage kya no hai 30 amana 18 natro som side na 0 natro adi 18 minus 0 di kya tarage 18 phangoi dro adi kano se kariba r1 6 ohm je phangde je 18 minus 0 18 phangoi dro r2 is 18 minus 0 amana left side na 18 ni right side na 0 ni 18 volt phangoi dro so and they have the same potential difference otherwise they are said to be in parallel two or more I repeat two or more resistors are said to be in parallel if they are connected between the same 2 points and the potential difference across them are same if their voltages are same ko the current so current mark to high tag whatever current so to say this is the total current I say see the change a the change can it has two options either som the khara lakpa ma lemo buduna som the chatoi ne mobile is the split to do so it has there's two way I here changani I just mind changani at this point A it has a possibility to split some khara chakhani khara na som chakhani depending on the resistance ko som the chapasna say this is I1 I2 has see now I1 has and I1 is the tholani changani I2 is the tholani B the changani and they recombine at B and they come out as I and tholo to fine ko adi the high low mark to sanjira to sanjira to saladam ka high low to with 8 current look at this see the I to this the changai ko so this side is in higher current changak pudna high thok pudna low adi sina plus sina high tare yame diagram minus sina low tare so current enters here see point chida 6 ohm dengo see the current enters here and it comes out here ana sigi point say this is high plus high minus low fine ko so am wide til diagram je ko yamal ju ko ngawe now sigi equivalent resistance kamai hot kani do so parallel di ani sigi total resistance or equivalent resistance amata to ne madu to kamai to hai tar gadi let's mark 8 okay between samjala se 8 ani sigi total sigi ani sigi r1 sigi r2 sigi equivalent resistance so say this is rp parallel ne ko asina battery na sine bas 18 volt sigi lane this is plus this is minus I see the high low mark to say high low okay fine the parallel ki formula the 1 by parallel ki tarak pado duga 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2 high hoy asi ji kitang simplify to let's simplify this a little bit more the 1 by rp equal to r1 into r2 LCM no re r2 plus r1 lagtra adi when you further solve amka kitanga solve to targadi ultimately kaya tabra equivalent resistance of a parallel connection rp se r1 into r2 tamaka olo draw by r1 plus r2 in short this is a formula this is the formula so equivalent resistance of a parallel connection first you multiply numerator and denominator ko numerator you multiply denominator you add them and divide ko this is the formula adi ai r1 ni amana ai examples da amana 6 ni amana 3 ni 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3 adi 18 by 9 adi 2 tare so see is 2 tare fine now the total current in the circuit say this is I total current is I neighbor I equal to V by R see RP and RP in style gi napasu yai kya na voltage kya na man phangi 2 volt ni 18 volt connector ni so it will get 18 volt 18 by 2 kya tar 9 tar ba so the total current in the circuit is 9 ampere tar so the 9 ampere is coming here 9 ampere se sida lai ni ko sida lai 9 ji change sida at this point A it enters at the point A then A the changaga it can split one some side ko adi madu so some side and is come out here let's write here inu haina ba V equal to IR V equal to IR so I equal to V by R so likewise adi or sman dilen haragana V equal to IR I1 or gonna R1 hazila se V1 hazila se so I1 equal to V1 by R1 has what is my R1 value kya no R1 6 R1 is 6 ne R1 is 6 ohm ni mana phangi pa voltage kya no 18 volt 18 minus 0 it gets 18 volt adi 6 volt ni 18 volt phange tawre ne de 3 tare ne so kya tare I1 is 3 I1 is 3 ta jare this is 3 ampere adi 9 changak pada 9 changak pada som the 3 chaki taragadi remaining som kya la ani 6 la obviously 6 ta gadam ni I2 je ko adi same thing da I2 equal to V2 by R2 lani, because V2 equal to I2 R2 ohms law. The V2 di kano, they get the same potential difference. I1 zu I1 R1 zu R2 zu R1 zu R2 zu 18 volt ngata ni pangise. So it gets 18 volt. 18 by R2 di kano, it's 3 ohm. You divide it gets 6 ampere. So I2 ni kata it gets chandre 6 ampere. So that yung all the day sida changkiba 3 ampere se, it comes out here as well. Kadai da it comes out here ko telam hapsira comes out ma tel yomdre sida tholai ni ko adi here it's 3 ampere sida tholaya. Then sida changkiba kadai da changkiba sida 6 ampere changki se 6 ampere sida changkiba pot se amuk sida thola ni comes out here. They combine 6 ampere sida muk change tholaya tolaga recombine taroga they come out as 9 here. Loirine de am ye malake keno ko. Long story short, am lai bida in hage tori se karira haibadi any number of resistance sums no sida panga hejela se amalere sida amalere amag option se ereko they are connected in parallel has. Now between these 2 points, example say this is x, say this is y, whatever the value, they will get the same voltage. If I say this is 10 volt, ground is on the left side, grounding the left side is samani, so this is 0, and obviously the other side the other side will be 10 volt. So what is the see x is at 10 volt, y is at 0 volt. So the potential difference between the point x and y, x and y potential difference kano 10 minus 0, which is 10. So between these 2 points, R1, R2, R3, they will get the same voltage. Voltage like na if you connect hundreds of them, 10 volt, 10 volt, 10 volt pangani. So 2 or more resistors connected in parallel gets the same voltage. Aduga sigi equivalent ye any whatever the value ye any whatever the value. Ye ha gonna find Ohm's law. I hollow, then the I is here. Then the individual hot ki haragana na I1 harage, I2 harage, I3 harage. Apply V equal to IR, V1 organa, I1 R1, V2 organa, I2 R2, and so on, and solve the individual resistance. Very easy. Echo. So now ngasagi mamang circuit. Let's see this. 6 ka 3 ka 18 volts samba. Samba. Let me do that. I didn't send out. So this is it. 6 volt. I'm gonna 6 ohm. I'm gonna 3 ohm. 6 volt. 18 volt. Okay, let me wait. 18 di kamay siya. 18, 20 over 18. Okay, this is 18 volt. Ito sama yung kasi. Ito 6 ohm, 3 ohm, and 18 volt. Sita current on to. This is it. Uli na. 9 total current 9 na tro. 9 to split taro kana amna 3 amna 6 tarise. This is it. Quick example tarise. Yek tragedi hang yeng nungai ko yam yek chela ko ngawi ko. Pare aduga if you want equivalent to yek sira. Let me write the equivalent here. Let me karino. Wait. See this thing split taro see. It's equivalent to kya tai 2 ta khibra. It's 2 ohm. Ada kya sambal chap mane 18 volt tro. Yes, yame 8 10 20 18 sab ta he 8 let me connect a ground here. Ground si sama get 8 so ke ching ching chanda bani na screen je chanda bana da. Okay, this is it. Same circuit niko. The other is the apik percent equivalent to my total effective resistance. So as you can see, observe, seeing is believing. And the 9 to 6 trigger. I hope you don't sound being enjoy the view. Pare? As mine to parallel kiss a hole. Now, see, ma'am, see basic identity. Still, I in class 10 level bone in ties. Kitang high low hapsalak maybe 12 ki malam gani, but it's still class 10 level. Combine to orga makan holak hochalak pay. That I will do it in the next video. yaina parallel gi nun khang double gadi hango ko class hangera video da comment pirakera I'll do what I can go I revision I high long story short kan tau graba 6 ke 3 total tare I hola see fine workout example ka taro ke next video to ko hadi series ka parallel combine taro aduda loina hire kan series na basic idea pinu si loin tak sang gumje one of them taksela ko ngong ni ko aduna next video the example numericals me ama question manga tara mu hotsi ko aduda makan taro kan loina sing taro kani at least see book ti hana clear oi bi ko fine I'll see you in the next video